Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Andrew's gaming channel. And these are my last hours to say goodbye to you guys because I'm gonna go on a vacation with a nice how to download and install a game video. Today we are going to download and install Bully, which is a pretty cool game. PewDiePie plays it. If you want to check out his channel, he's a pretty cool guy. I recommend you should. The link will be in the description box. And let's just get started with the downloading part. So as always, you need uTorrent, but you already have that, I presume. Then click get this torrent. Go to the first link in the description below, and it will take you to this site. Just click get this torrent, launch application, and I already have that done. And I'm not gonna download it once again. I'm gonna close this up now. Then just right click and click open containing folder. There should be a bunch of stuff here, but you double click the setup and choose what language you want the installation process to be. I'm just gonna leave it in English. Click OK. This is just preparing to install. So you have to wait a little while here, and then click next. You'll have your username here, then right here Rockstar, then click next. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Next. Browse wherever you want your installation to be. I'm just gonna choose an E. Okay. Next, click install. So the DirectX 9 is installing right now, so we have to wait. Then now the actual game is installing, and just checking some things so it can be installed. And by the way, I love this game. I've played it with my friend, and yeah, so I can't wait to install this game so I can play it. And now it's actually installing the game, so I'm gonna pause the video and be back with you in a second when the installation is finished. Okay guys, so when that's finished, if you want to read the readme file, you can check this, but I don't want to waste my time. And I think you just install the game. Now go where you have installed the game, which in my case is in E, Bully, and then I think I can start the game. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so this is Bully Scholarship Edition. It's a fun game, as I told you, and let's get this. Why not?
Jimmy, please say something.
James?
What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
That's a long time. I love the intro music, by the way.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Half fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever.
That's a creepy gargoyle. Welcome to Bulwark, guys. Now that's a very ugly and not nice lunch lady. Okay, so they left me here.
Mom, why'd you marry that phony? What is
Yeah.
wrong with you?
Yeah, what's wrong with you,
I
Mom?
can't believe this.
You must be the Hopkins boy.
Where'd you come from?
We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bulworth Academy. Ah, I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study.
Okay.
His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man.
What did she say?
Brilliant.
What's his name? Krabby Pants? Sorry, I didn't get that, but that was a very unusual, creepy name. Okay. So you punch on shift and you walk on WASD keys. Yeah, what? Okay, you can switch vision by
This year will be much better than last.
by the arrow keys, like that. But I'm just gonna leave it like this. You move the camera angle with jump on space, and you move the camera angle with the mouse. So let's enter here. On R you open doors. And yeah, guys, let's just get. What? Oh, for a second I thought that was the school a big fog. Okay, so when you get, why is the game so much glitching? Look at this. Like, what the hell? So we go in here.
Hello there, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy. A feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers,
That's
are you back
gross.
yet?
Yes, headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
I like the voice
And
actor
boy,
on this.
remember, you will have a
Moment
clean
here.
nose, so keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
I like the voice actor on this girl right here. So yeah, guys, pretty much that was bully. You can bully people and you can bully kids, but you'll know the penalty, detention or something. But yeah, guys, see ya in a week. This is my goodbye, and yeah, see ya in a week, guys. Bye.